This was sent to me direct from the company, from WinBridge, and I've been playing around with it because I've been having some issues. But first, let's get to the unit here. So this is the main unit. It does come with a shoulder carry strap that is very adjustable. Okay, I've got it maxed out, so this way you can hook it on like a so. Okay, so on the side here we have microphone at the top, your input, which is actually your auxiliary input, headset for private listening. You do not get headphones, that's on you, get your own. Your input for your charging plug to recharge the battery, USB. Now remember, I said read only, which is obviously where we went wrong with this. And of course we have the TF slot, which is a micro SD slot. Power on and volume, of course.
FM mode.
It has some little announcements that it does.
Battery.
So on battery mode, which is ideal to be on. We'll start with that. Now I will say the lapel mic here. Well, we'll test it, but the lapel mic has to be like super close to you. So whatever kind of a shirt you're wearing, get it as close as you can. Okay, because this is not a very powerful microphone, so it needs to be up as close as you can get it to your mouth. That is one thing with lapel mics that are notorious. So it doesn't matter if it's a cheap unit or if it's an expensive unit, lapel mics are just made that way. Now this is a left-handed set, which is cool. I'm a left-handed person. So let's plug this in. And we have power. This is full blast with the microphone actually quite a piece of ways. So if I bring the microphone closer, it is definitely going to be a lot louder and more subject to feedback too. So you got to kind of find that sweet spot for you. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's try recording. So it says all we got to do here, we'll press record.
Start recording.
Well, it says that we're recording. Oh, look at that. We are recording. Wow. That did not come up last time when I tried using the USB stick. Pays to read the manual, kids. So we've got about 11 seconds here. Let's stop this and play it back.
Play recording.
It says that we're recording. Oh, look at that. We are recording. It works. That did not come up last time when I tried using the USB stick. Pays to read the manual, kids. And we can pause it. So we've got about 11 seconds here. Let's stop this and play it back. It says that we're recording. Oh, look at that. Okay.
Start recording.
No, I don't want to start recording.
Bluetooth is waiting for a connection.
So it'll actually come up and tell you it's waiting for a connection for Bluetooth. We also have the TF card playing. Now we got to get to the radio. Battery. So this is the regular system.
Bluetooth is waiting for a connection. TF card playing.
Okay, I need to get to the radio.
Battery. Bluetooth is waiting for a connection. TF card playing.
Okay, so I guess as long as we have a TF card in here. Oh, we did get to the radio. Can we play it over top? Probably not.
Battery. Bluetooth is waiting for a connection. TF card playing. FM mode.
You gotta click it quick. If you hold it too long, you get a problem. So let's extend the antenna because it does have an extendable antenna. And the number pad is up top. So the radio does work. I don't want to play too much of that. Okay, so like I said, Kevy does have an idea that he wants to try out, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Now, this is not a guitar amplifier, but I have adapters and I have toys. So let's actually I'll grab this unit because it doesn't matter.
Audio in mode.
Okay. Turn that on. I'm kind of curious if this is going to work. Because in theory it should. Now I do have a smaller wireless system, but there we go. Not very loud, but that's full blast. Okay, so I wonder what would happen if we plug that into the microphone port.
Battery.
Okay. Whoa, much louder. So we can actually do that and get away with it. That's awesome! Now on the box they say that this thing is great for teachers, tour guides, instructors, youth counselors, professors, clowns, elderly, and those who have a soft voice. Okay, so let's hook this unit up over the shoulder kind of deal. And let's plug in that lapel mic now. So we want to test it out. And it goes right into the mic slot. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2. So you can get a bit of volume out of it through, you know, you're going to have it close, obviously. So if you're wearing a shirt and tie, clip it to your tie, because then it'll be close enough to you. And you're going to get your voice out there better. Though I do feel that this feedback's a lot easier than what the headset would. Especially when you're going to crank the volume to get anything out of it. Lapel mics are always notorious. Pro units, cheap units, doesn't matter. They've never been the world's best system, okay? Unless they were a really super high output lapel mic. In that case, you're golden. So let's go back to the main headset here. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2. So if we get the thing close enough, that gets quite loud. I'm going to take a little walk here, and I'm still talking and walking, and I'm about 25 feet away. I'm about 30 feet away. We're doing pretty good. This is awesome. Hopefully you guys can hear this on the video. Yes, and I've got the volume up full blast on this unit, so it is very loud, very loud, very loud, very loud. Turn the volume down a little bit. The radio will also go very loud as well. But with the radio, you have to know the frequency up here if you're going to punch it in manually. I believe you can also scan this as well.
Bluetooth is TF card playing.
Come on, give me the radio.
FM mode.
Okay, so we should be able to just push and hold, which we can. So you can scan in your frequencies. You can scan in the frequencies, or if you want to manually punch them in, you can do either one, which is fine. And it does have a decent sound through it, so that's actually good. Put a whack load of MP3s on this and plug it in, and away you go. You don't have to use a long stick like this. You can get like little short USB memory sticks nowadays, like really short ones, which wouldn't be so bothersome or in the way. So that's just my 64 gigger. Operation is very simplistic, very straightforward. You know, it's like click, 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 and away you go. To get your card back out, you got to kind of use your nail. It is a spring-loaded mechanism, and I don't have any nails. I wonder if I can get this. I got something that'll work. There we go. So your card will actually go in facing this way. So the little metal prongs on your card, okay, they go facing the speaker. So it goes in like so, and then just pushing, it clicks and locks in place. Voila. Okay, now I'm going to take this out for now because I want to re-blank it.